Today we'll be solving a problem involving perimeter and area of a rectangle. Hello people, my name is Usman Khan and welcome to Mathatics. We have a question that states the perimeter and length of a rectangular field. Part 1 of A requires us to calculate the breadth and part 2 area of the field. Looking at the question, we need to extract data from it. As we are told that the length is 4 meters longer than the breadth, we'll take breadth as x. As the question states, the length is 4 meters longer than the breadth. So length will be x plus 4. We are also given the perimeter, that is 44 meters. To calculate the breadth, we'll use the perimeter formula. So the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. We know the perimeter is 44 meters. 2 as per the formula. We know the length is x plus 4 and the breadth is x. We need to solve this equation to calculate the value of x, that is the breadth. Using the perimeter equation and filling in the values of length plus breadth, we got this equation. We opened the inner brackets by multiplying the exterior 2 with the inner values. So 2 into 2 is 4x and 2 into 4 is 8. We took 8 to the other side. It becomes 44 minus 8. So 44 minus 8 is 36. 36 equals to 4x. So to calculate x, we shifted 4 to the other side. 36 divided by 4 is 9 meters. So the breadth is 9 meters. Part 2 states to calculate area of the field. As we already know, x equals to 9 meters. So the length would be x plus 4. So 9 plus 4 equals 13 meters. As we have both values of length and breadth, we'll use the area formula for the rectangle, that is LB. We know the breadth is 9 meters and the length is 13 meters as calculated earlier. That becomes 117 meter square. Let's take this example a bit further. The field is surrounded by a path of width 2.5 meters. To understand this question more clearly, let's make a diagram. So this is a field of 13 meters by 9 meters and it is surrounded by a path that is 2.5 meter wide. So we need to calculate the area of the path. Let's look at the data we have. We have the length of the inner field, that is 13 meter. We have the breadth, that is 9 meter. We also have the area, that is 117 meter square. We are given that the path is 2.5 meter wide on each side. That means the path is 2.5 meter on this side, 2.5 meter on this side, 2.5 meter on this side, and so on. To calculate areas and perimeters of complex figures, we need to break them down into smaller, manageable figures that we understand easily. So looking at this diagram, we have 13 meters of inner length, we have 2.5 meter here, and 2.5 meter extra over here, that is width of the path. So the total width of the path becomes 13 meters plus 2.5 meters plus 2.5 meters. That becomes 18 meters. We just calculated the breadth of the path. Now same way we need to calculate the length of the path. So the length of the inner field is 9 meters. The path is 2.5 meter wide on each side. That becomes 9 meters plus 2.5 meters plus 2.5 meters, 14 meters. We have the length, we have the breadth, we can calculate area of the entire region. So, formula for area is area equals to length into breadth. That becomes 18 meters multiplied by 14 meters. That is 252 meters square. Now we know that 252 meters square is the area for the entire region, but we only need area for the path that surrounds the rectangular field. So how do we do that? We know the area of the inner field, we know the area of the entire region. To calculate area of the path, we need to subtract area of the field from area of the region. That is 252 minus 117. It becomes 135 meter square. If this video was helpful to you in any way, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.